USS Massachusetts, currently a museum ship in Fall River, Massachusetts. Wherever possible, I'd like to encourage people to go see those museum ships because we're reaching the age, we're far enough removed from their service lives that we're actually starting to lose a few of these ships. We've had a couple of close calls recently in the last few years. Massachusetts is in Fall River. It's not the best battleship museum I've ever been on, but she's the closest one definitely with me living in New Hampshire. But she's very famous. You can look up why, but she's in very good shape as far as I can tell. And I'd say if you can get a chance to go down there with the family, Fall River, the area where she's in, there's a couple of other ships. There's a submarine down there, Lionfish, who actually, unfortunately, Lionfish is not in that great of a condition. So, my commander, which is strange because Willis Lee is my commander on the Massachusetts. I got a range of 17 on the main battery and 9.4 on the secondaries. Willis Lee is my commander. He's the brawling commander for the American battleships, which I find hilarious. Willis Lee was a marksman amongst marksmen during World War II. He was a battleship commander. He was at the Guadalcanal campaign. He's also known as himself being an Olympic medalist in marksmanship, despite having vision problems, so I sympathize with him on that one. But we're going to start out with AP loaded on this match because we don't have any destroyers to contend with. So we're going to do our usual creep up on him slowly. Our secondaries are going to go off at 9.4 kilometers. So as long as we can keep them at distance, and then when it comes time towards the end of the match, when we get into close quarters, those secondaries might give us an edge to help push us over. Because God knows my skills alone will not do it. But anyways, so let's see. We got a battleship coming. Who's that? The Iowa. So I'm behind an island. Am I going to get spotted by ships? Yep. You're darn right I am. So I don't know if that Iowa can shoot at me, which is a good thing because that would hurt a lot. I got a Lyon, French battleship, and an Atlanta. That Atlanta can spit fire. So, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the guns over this way, cut back towards that island, try to keep that island between me and the Iowa. We're going to wait for the Atlanta to poke his head out over there. And we'll know when we get spotted again. The Lyon I'm not too worried about. Partner. I shot at you before and it didn't hurt, so I hope this time it hurts. Because you gotta stop sailing broadside. You're in a little dinky cruiser. Well, it hurt a little bit. Let that serve as a lesson. Alright. You know what? It's time to face our fears. Ooh, German battlecruiser charging in. Let's turn this way and shoot over our shoulder so we drag out our secondaries, hitting him as hard as possible for as long as possible. Let's start by... Where'd he go? There he is. Come on. Come to Papa. We're going to keep moving, shaking our tail feather here. Hopefully not crashing into our teammates. There's the Iowa. That's alright. He knocked out one. I've got two more. How's that Iowa doing? Good. Let's return the favor now. Now let's switch and put the guns over the right shoulder. See those secondaries? It's not much damage, but it's a little, and it's pecking away at him along with my teammates. There he goes. This Atlanta thinks I'm way too occupied with the Iowa to be paying attention. And he's partially right. Oh, I love that sound. That's the sound of shells bouncing off my armor. Iowa's certainly dead. Always when I go to shoot. Lyon. We can go head to head with him. That must have been the harbor. He's run straight into that island over there, I would guess. So we're just going to close in Leon and keep our guns generally in this area. Tell everybody they've been detected. Is there anybody with us? How about you? Can you come with me?
Teammate, I need your support.
And be sure to thank them. Just because we're trying to shoot each other with 16-inch shells doesn't mean that we cannot be polite. Come on, I know you're out here. Come on. We got at least one cruiser in front of me, and maybe another one over here. Where are you coming? Okay. Who are you? Congress. The old USS Congress, otherwise known as one of the original 6 frigates, was built at the shipyard I currently work at. See, we educate as well as entertain here. Those shells are going way over me. Where are they going? In the water. Oh, hello. Can you get down to like 9.4 or less? That would be great. We're going to keep the guns generally there, but also here. Because he thinks I didn't see him last time, so we're going to pretend that we didn't. He's looking over there. He's not looking at me. No, I'm definitely looking at you. And you. We'll be quick. Oh, I think I missed him. I'm going to switch back this way, just so it have a harder time targeting me. They're being very cautious, I'll give them that. And it's still, we're well into this match. We're almost halfway into this match. There's only 3 ships dead. So we're gonna not pay attention to them. He's well behind that island, so there's not much I can do about that. Atlanta's gonna try to get me to just shoot at him. We're just gonna keep working up. Call for him more help. Cruisers.
Teammate, I need your support.
Cruisers.
Teammate, I need your support.
Can we finish him off for our team so they can then focus on helping me? Which really is way more important. Oh, here comes the requisite shells from the cruiser hiding in the smoke. I gotta tell you, this one's kind of a snooze fest. I apologize. This is why people watch TikTok.
The ship is on fire.
So we're gonna slow down a little bit, let our cruiser friends catch up to us, and just absorb battleship cooking shells from this guy. You know what, for the fun of it, let's see where he's shooting from. There. Let's see what happens. What's the worst that can happen? We miss? Or we hit him dead. So I can say I'm probably not going to get torpedoed through here because I got a cruiser on my side coming right through there. We slow down for a little while to let our friends catch up. See if we can hit them blindly again. Come on. Come on. I'm loaded. Where are you at? Nope, we're not going to waste ammo on him. There he is. I don't care about that. I care about that.
Enemy cruiser destroyed.
Alright, now we're getting some excitement. We should win this game. Again, we're going to slow down and let our friends catch up. We're flooding and on fire. So water and fire does not mix well in this game. You would think one would put the other one out, but it doesn't. it actually just makes things worse. It's instead of water, pretend it's like gasoline. You're floating in gasoline right now. I don't know if the physics of that would support it, but we're just gonna pretend that's what it is. He's got it. He's got it.
Problem solved, sir.
Battle ends in 5 minutes.
See, we let our friends catch up so we don't go in there alone, because nobody needs another dead battleship in the way. There's enough of them coral reefs, goddammit.
Our team has taken the lead.
Am I still recording? That's good. It didn't randomly stop. Can we kill another? I hate that Atlanta so much. Just flames on the side of my ship. Flames. Come on. Be very, very quiet. I'm hunting cruisers. I'm spotted. Where is he? There he is. Gonna slow down in time. It's gonna hit him in the aft side. Keep closing. 9-6, 9-5. Can we get 9-4? 9-4. Light them up, secondaries. Secondaries? Oh, secondaries don't think they can help. We gotta work on their self-esteem. This is not going to end well. Oh, now you shoot, secondaries. Yup, there's the requisite torpedoes. Is this guy dead? Dun 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 dun. Good job, buddy.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target.
Ooh, a battleship. A Nagato, who's just hanging out. Nagato is in my opinion, a very good-looking ship. Very historically significant ship. But unfortunately for him, his sides are made out of tissue paper. Japanese tissue paper. So I know it works for houses over there. I'm not sure it was the best choice for a battleship. So, for example, let's see what this does. Just over the armor belt. Oh, that looks bad. Yup. And it was. So, yes, I got a lot of my damage in garbage time. But hey, I got some damage. Was this the game I wanted to show everybody? My first game recording in God knows how long? No. Am I going to be part of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4? Yep, 4. Good job, engineer. 4-ship contingent that's going to capture the base and win the game for my team? Yes, I am. Alright, so who's this? Cherbourg. Who dat? Maines. He's the Maines, man. Congress. USS Congress. I'm sure that'll buff right out. Don't worry about it. You ain't got a scratch on you. I am so perplexed / upset at your lack of damage that my voice cracked. How about you? Go ahead, torpedo me. Can't trust those Germans. Alright, how did we do? Probably not great. I mean, we're in the middle. There's 9 people on the team, so these are the top 3. I'm in the bottom of the middle 3, and then there's 3 down here. Look, this is the guy that didn't have any damage. What did he do all day? What did he do? Nothing. He sailed around playing with his phone. That's what this guy did. Okay? This guy up here, the Congress, I'm going to say it, Congress finally did something. I don't believe it either. Have a good night.